So good day na naman sa atin. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kabilang Dollar Tree. So dito sa may tapat ng favorite store natin. Tara punta natin to at sugurin natin to dahil sa kabila nakakuha tayo ng yung Cyber Quad. So subukan natin dito kumuha or makakita ng mga mangilan-ngilan or kung nag-restock sila. So tara subukan natin dito. Punta tayo sa may toy section nila, tingnan natin kung nag-restock sila ng Hot Wheels dito. At magtatanong na rin tayo kung kailan sila magre-restock dito or nagre-restock. So dito tayo sa may toy section. Ay mukhang wala. Mukhang masisiro tayo dito. Wala yatang naka-display. So tanong natin. Wala nga. Ito nga MB lang oh. Mga mangilang-ngilang na MB lang natira dito. So tanong natin kung kailan sila magre-restock dito. Dahil naswerte natin dun sa kabila. So tara, tanong natin. Excuse me, do you guys have a Hot Wheels cases or a stock room?
No, I'm not sure yet. Maybe, did you see the manager when you was on?
Where?
No?
No, I don't. Yeah, I just want to ask if you have guys a case.
We don't get it all the time.
Oh yeah? If you still have left cases?
I don't think so because I feel like someone came earlier and asked, and I don't know why, because she was talking to him, and then he left. So probably we didn't get it.
Okay. Even to the old cases.
No, because we had some before. They will put it up there.
Okay. Tanong tayo. Pakapalo na ng mukha to boy. Tanong tayo dito. So yun nga, sinabi ni ate, dumarating yung stock nila Thursday pero nagre-restock sila ng Friday or Saturday dito. So yun nga, balik na lang tayo dito Saturday o Friday or Saturday. So tara guys, let's go. Punta tayo dyan sa favorite store natin. Baka nag-restock sila dyan. Let's go! Samahan niyo ako.